Hi, Krishna.
Hello, Suprita.
Okay.
Just remember one thing, whatever my grandmom is saying, Akhil has paid her to say it. Everything is lies. Akhil has actually muscofied her to say everything.
She's lying.
No. She just did that. He manipulated her. No.
Mic check 1, 2, 3.
Mic check 1, 2, 3.
Hashtag hold your door.
Wake up.
It's tiring. It's not easy to become a bride. How does it feel to be married? Just different houses, that's it. Anika different now. I have to cook.
Hashtag run.
Only means I don't mean her.
Oh, I changed his complete house. I have like A to Z is now, like if you come to the house, you'll see only me in that house. Akhil's existence only have improved.
She has done a complete makeover. She says that Poili it was a boy's house.
Both the brothers like them, Akhil will crib about it that I spent so much money, but honestly, he loves everything that I've decorated. Yeah, and I'll tell you, he'll say no. You can bet on it. He'll be like, my money is gone. Nothing like that.
त्या मजेचा आता क्रेडिट कार्ड मारून सगळें चल्लां आमी आनी कितें रिडिजायन जालें घर सगळें जालें
ताणें सब डॅश रेटा बरयला.
मागीर ना सुप्रिताचा आता मिस्टेक करचो ना ते स्टार्टिंगाक करतालो.
स्पेलिंगूय 2 फावट चॅक केला ताणें आनी हांवें कितें
Even though he doesn't do those gestures that I like, in his own sweet, cute way, he'll do stuff that I feel I'm okay with, I'm happy with. How do you like my red hair?
I didn't.
You didn't see my red hair. Akhil first said he loved it. As soon as my parents said he doesn't love it, no, it's horrible and all. That's what he said. Papu is sort of tujhe sang. And another rule that I made for him was like every time he takes a trip without me, he has to buy me a gift. So poor guy, every time he goes out, he'll get me a soft toy. He's like, I'm into construction and I carry a soft toy at the airport and roam around. Even now when I say I've changed his house, he let me. Like everything that I have changed, he let me. He made sure all the kitchen appliances, he actually got what I liked. Because he knows I love baking, he knows I love cooking. So he got the latest of the latest technologies. He changed his whole kitchen for me. So these things, like even if I say I want this, he'll make sure to get it. So I feel there are some qualities about my dad that I see in him. Like my dad also does that for me. Like if I ask for a chocolate, dad will get 10 chocolates. Akhil might get 5, but he's trying to increase that number.
She is very close to me. Whatever happens, she always tells me everything. She's a good friend of mine.
And he's to describe. चली जाल्यार तुजे भशेन गोरे, तुजे भयणी भशेन लांब केस, आपल्या भयणी भशेन लांब. He had described and exactly she turned out like that.
She's the best advice giver and she is the person who lights up the room whenever she's around us.
So the thing is, me and my brother, the age gap is 11.5 years. So there's a generation gap. He's a millennial, I'm a Gen Z.
Akhil आमच्या हालीचीच चोळ पण आय लाईक हिम. त्याप्रमाणे गायले बरोबर आजी म्हणून माझे म्हणा येतलो ते बसतलो 2 खबरी उलयतलो न एफेक्शन.
He is very helpful
He, anytime you call him and ask him for help, he will help you. That's for sure.
ताका पयलीच खेप मेळ्ळो म्हाका ते तेन्ना म्हाका दिसलो बरो डॅरिंग भुरगो आसतलो आनी अशें तशें
I saw the qualities which my husband had were exactly there in him. And I said, yes, this is the boy which I want my daughter to marry.
Suprita is one of the most loyal, loving, outgoing friends there ever could be. She has been part of all of our journeys for the last, 14, 15 years. It's like, Suprita is like a part of home.
I'm the only guy who hangs out with this girl gang and call them all rowdies, and if they're rowdies, and she's the gang leader for that.
First impression, she was very loud, very friendly, and very bossy.
Are you gonna stay like this only? Oh.
From Fupuja, I'll change, promise.
त्या चलेक मेकअप नाका
ना मेकअप नाका लिपस्टीक
ताका
नाका
केस ओळोवपाचे ना ते भूत कशे रावतले बट ओनली थिंग्स आर नेल पेंट हाय हिल्स केस कलर करपाचे
Kaki, what's your opinion about the red hair?
No, I first only shouted because I know that her father will shout at me.
Lies.
शी इज क्लोज टू मी तेजे काय ना पूण मातशें आतां तर खूबच दादारी करता
कातर आणि केसूच कातर
मारतले धरून फालतू मनीस I always wanted it, and I have done in the past, but I've done in the lighter version. And then this was like full blown explosion in their face.
जेन्ना बिफोर मॅरेज सोयरीक जायचो ते एक दीस ते केस आपल्याक करून आयले म्हाका भयंकर राव कितें करतलो नो उपाय
आणि करतकीच मावश्यांक विचारप मावशी कशें दिसता तांकां फुलोवप मागीर हांव पडलें ओगी
Exactly. Everyone supported. Only my parents were against it, and then everyone supported. And I was like, I got my wish. Today is his birthday, right? So last year on his birthday also we fought.
पुढे That's it.
That's all. And that till yesterday he was like, see, you fought last year and this and that, now I'm also gonna fight on your birthday. That was all that nonsense he was doing today. And today he's irritated me the most, I think. And he's like, it's my birthday, no, so I can get away with it. First day that he met, he gave me chocolates, okay? Like in a good boy wala chocolates, he gave me lots of chocolates. And I'm like, this is just for today, or every time we meet you're gonna get. That is that day only. Taja Magir, everything that he got me, I have to ask. I have to tell him. And everything that I get him is a surprise for him. I'm at that phase, I think. 31 and like be at peace kind of a thing. And this guy is chaos. Literally in one word, he's chaos. So suddenly he'll be watching reels and then suddenly he'll pinch me. I'm like, "Arey, tu reel paitala माझ्याकडे किती खाल्लं?" Like just, and then I go back to watching reel like nothing he did, and I'm like what? From where?
I think they have become more closer, if you would say. But earlier he used to irritate her, now he irritates both of us. तो सामको छळटा. ताणें गिटार हाडलेलें. He just bought that guitar just to irritate her. He just purchases just to irritate her. रातचो 2 वाजयता तो ताज्या मुखार. ताका बाबड्याक न्हिदपाक दिना.
Made for each other.
Validating him, rather. Akhil doesn't have our age people friends. He has all old people. He gets acquainted with old people faster than our age. I don't know why that is.
हे जर कोणें आमचें लग्न ठरयल्लें पळय तो म्हजो मेंटर इन नॉर्थ. ताणें म्हाका सावथाच्यान नॉर्थ हाडला आनी तो हाज्या डॅडीचो गुड फ्रेंड, बेस्टीज. सो दे आर फ्रॉम चायल्डहूड बेस्टीज. सो ताणें ठरयल्लें हें लग्न.
So Daddy's friend was his very good partner kind of. So he would come here and chill with him. So ताणें set up केल्लो आमचो. आणि I had told dad one thing was की जर म्हाका खंयचो चलो मेळपा तर he should approach me. I don't want to see photo and all because I believe की जर तुवें first time पळयलें न्ही जाल्यार तो एक mindset तयार जाता. Rather because then I would judge him on his looks and all, and I'm not a person who judges people on looks. I'm like, तू ताका सांग म्हाका contact कर and then I'll figure it out. So that's what he did, and you know the Saprita nonsense.
4 डिसेंबरार आमी फर्स्ट टायम मेळ्ळा.
And then we went to Hanga, Shiridao beach. He was so quiet. Arey Baba, I got scared. I'm like, am I marrying to a quiet person? Like, what will happen to my life?
जालें ताणें आपलें सगळें बडबड करून सांगलें. हांव ओगी रावलो. सगळें आयकून घेतलें पयलीं. मागीर सगळें आंसर्स दिले.
मागीर पयलीं हाजें तोंड धांपलो. नॉन स्टॉप I have to tell him, Akhil तोंड धांप.
फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन ऑफ हर म्हळ्यार सेल्फ पयलीं ते इंडिपेंडंट आशिल्ले सगळे. डॉक्टर जावं आपल्या हाजेर आशिल्ले. मेन थींग म्हळ्यार कांय चड डिमांड्स अशें नाशिल्ले सामके. मेकअप बिकअप तसलें कांय ना.
I think the instance that was a yes to me, a big yes, is I believe in family. Like म्हाका family खूब important. He has bits of Suken who annoys me, like the caring nature of my dad or my aunts. Like there are those points where I could see my family in him.
तो एक पॉयंट येता पळय मागीर बाबा हेच चली जाय आनी हें असो की ते एक बसले अशें मनांचे.
So the thing is, Akhil, no, before marriage, he was very short-tempered. Anything नी ताका click जातालें आनी बेट्टो झगडटालो. So, but slowly over the period of time, I saw that change in him. I liked how the fight Zali, maybe he wouldn't talk to me for 2 days then, but then later on he himself would come because I would be like, I'm not coming back. Like, Maja every time was ultimatum, like, I'm not coming back, so
लग्ना पयलीं तांची खूब झगडी जाताली हें जातालें मागीर आमकां टेंशनां जातालीं झगडी जाली की ना हांव जावचें ना लग्न हें जावचें ना बट ही वॉज ऑलवेज फर्म.
A bit dramatic, yeah, but he would put those efforts, and I guess that made our relationship more stronger because it's like more than patching up, we were breaking up kind of a thing. Like full family loves him and adores him to the next level, and I'm like, why? What has he done? It's because of me that you all adore him so much. But no, it's like he's the main character. Like I was the main character, and that's transferred to him now.
सो मागीर द थिंग इज मॉम पयली डिटेक्ट जाल्ली कॅन्सरा पूण तें आमी तें तितलें म्हाका तें खबर नाशिल्लें जो 3rd स्टेज आनी हें तें 3rd स्टेज आशिल्लें सो तो मागीर जर्नी तो फूल तो तसोच गेलो. सो सामकें तें त्या टायमार तो पिरियडाक आमी चड अशें मेळपाक चड पावूना हॉस्पिटलानूच दीस काडटाले हांव रातचो 3:30 बी येवन हॉस्पिटलानूच मेळटालो ताका सो तेन्ना म्हाका सपोर्ट चड मेळ्ळो ताजो.
The time I think I realized ki Baba I can't leave this guy was during his mother's time when she fell sick, and I saw the efforts he was putting to try to make sure she stays. So that hit me.
वायट आसता तुजें केन्ना तेन्ना कोण सोडून वचना पळय तो मनीस कळटा त्या टायमार सो ताणें तें साथ सोडूना. पूण म्हाका एक खबर आशिल्लें की लग्न जावपाकूच जाय कित्याक म्हजी मम्मीक कॅन्सर डिटेक्ट जाल्लो तेन्ना तिणें सांगिल्लें कितेंय जावं लग्न जावपाकूच जाय म्हणून. वेडींग एक्चुली कशें कितें जालें तें म्हाका खबरूच ना एक्चुली कित्याक हांव सामको टेंशन सगळें हातून डबल मायंड सगळें आशिल्लें. मेन थींग म्हळ्यार एक चिंतपाक येतालें की म्हजे आवय बापूय नाच म्हणून वेडिंग हांव एकटोच तेन्ना कितें जाल्लें तेन्ना थंय म्हजी माय फाटल्यान रडटाली ते रडटाले म्हाका तेंय चिंतपाक येतालें आवय तोंडा मुखार येताली बापूय येतालो तोंड तेन्ना एक मातशें फील जाल्लें म्हाका.
Like I didn't think I could get married. I didn't think I could put my mehndi also that day. Those instances were chaotic, but the day of those functions went peacefully. So somehow I guess his mom was helping us from above. Even during his mom or dad's time, he believed me completely. If I told him, see, I feel this is right, he was like, you feel, go ahead. But he's like, no, I'm there for you. You just take the decision and I'll fight for you.
त्या पिरियडान आशिल्लो पळय त्या पिरियडान फूल टेंशनानूच काडला हांवें ताणें त्या टायमार म्हाका सपोर्ट केलो कित्याक म्हाका तर मॅडिकल हिस्ट्री कांयच खबर नाशिल्ली एकदम सो ताणें तें सगळें सांबाळ्ळें म्हजें सो एक पॉयंटार तें बसलें मनाक.
देवाची कृपा आशिल्ल्यान आनी फॅमिलीचो सपोर्ट आशिल्ल्यान सगळें इतलें सिस्टमॅटीक लायक वी डोंट नो वॉट नेक्स्ट दॅट वॉज लायक बाबा फाल्यां आमचें लग्न फुडें सरया काय फाटीं सरया फुडें सरया काय फाटीं सरया मारली देवाचें नांव घेवन आमी मारली उडी. Both were going through lot of stress, but they didn't let the stress come to us. ती भितरली भितर स्ट्रेस हे करून ती दोगांय हासत मुखार रावली just to see that we are happy.
There's been a lot of ups and downs. अशें कितें जालें. There were many incidences, but I think they stayed together. I think that's what brought both of them closer.
Honestly, whatever time I spent with my mother-in-law, she was the coolest person, I think. Like, she was so chill. Like, even this bracelet, the Mangalsutra bracelet, usually I don't wear this, okay? It is just because I had puja yesterday that I wore. But this, she accepted this. I was like, I don't like saris. She was like, don't buy saris. You wear churidars, you wear jeans, tops. She agreed to buy me a dress. That cool she was. So I wish I'd got more time with her, but whatever it was, I think we would have got along. And she loved talking. In that house, her voice would be from one room to the other room. Like, she would just go on talking, and I always used to think, how would I manage that? I really think because of her only the wedding went through.
She has always been winning hearts. ते खंय वता थंय न्ही एक वेगळेंच एटमॉस्फियर क्रिएट करता. म्हाका ताका ज्या दिसा चुडो घालो, and that's when that realization down it. Yes, now my baby has grown up.
I think we were aware of when the journey started, right from the start. So that was not a surprise, but her wedding is a big surprise.
If you would meet some years back Sukrita, she would be like, no, I'll just go to the court, sign, go home, chill, I don't want to do all of this.
And here comes Sukrita. She has multiple sari changes, makeup, all the girly stuff. And she's such a doll, such a princess, and she's living her moment. I mean, if you're willing to go all out from your comfort zone for the person, I think with this we know that she's found the one.
तरी याचे संसार बरो फुडें पर्यंत बरो करचो and सुखान रावचें अशें. I hope they will do it. आतां तांची ते ट्रिटमेंट हे पळयलें जाल्यार I think they will do it.
I would say that we are trying. That is what our journey is. We are trying to be better for each other. And mostly it is where we compromise. That's one very big thing that I love about him is he's agreed to compromise.
So हांव मातसो रफपणा उलयतालो, चड सुबेजपणा. सो तेच मातशें आतां कंट्रोल करता, फिल्टर दवरला आनी कांय ना.
I mean, he's still stubborn at certain things. He is. But where it matters, I think he does compromise, and that's what I like. So we are just trying to learn each other and trying to create a new space for each other. So I think that is about it, trying.
expression you want.
Yay! अरे तो जोक होता.
So, Akhil, how do you feel?
कांयच ना म्हाका आतां घरा वचपाक जाय.
आता तो म्हजो पयलीं टेम्पररी हेडेक आशिल्लो मागीर पर्मनंट हेडेक जालो. आतां जालोच तो पर्मनंट हेडेक. नाव ही इज द फेवरेट हेडेक. आय स्विच्ड इट. So he gifted me something and he's like, see, I gifted you this now at least change my name. So I'm like, I'll keep headache and I'll just take the permanent to favorite.